All right, in our digital life hack tip this week, it's all about digging dirt up on someone. And we've all done this at some point. You meet someone in person or online, and you're compelled to do a little research to dig up potential dirt on them. Now, you can find out a lot about someone online, but there's only so much information that you can figure out if you're the person that's looking for maybe they have locked down his or her social media profiles, or they've erased information collected on these shady online directories. Maybe they've just totally deleted themselves from the internet. And that's why you need to stick with sites that you can trust. I don't want you to get sucked in by those creepy people search sites. You know what I'm talking about. If they find you one thing and then they charge you for outdated or incorrect information. So here are three methods to find reliable information on just about anyone. And let's start at the top with free websites that have really valuable intel. I'm talking about free public information websites. The easiest way to find your county assessor site is do a quick Google search. And that's what I'm talking about. Just type in the county you're looking for along with the word assessor. And once you get there, you can see where all your person of interest lives. You can get details on their home, the properties they own, and a whole bunch more. And then if you're feeling curious, you can also see how much somebody's paid for their house, their neighbors paid. And again, it's all public record. Now, if you're having trouble finding the assessor site in your area, I have a website. I don't want to give it to you out on the air because we have it on on our website. But it's a directory that includes official state and county websites, so you can actually navigate to yours easily. You can also search by zip code to find the correct county. Number two on the list is you want to figure out, does the person have a criminal record? Super important. A simple search may get you there, or you can use the National Center for State Courts website, and this allows you to quickly access court records by state. Now, they're going to tell you everything a background check can, but it's pretty enlightening. And we're going to tell you exactly how you can get started and the steps that you need to do. Now, another way to get official docs, that's what we're looking for, official documents, is a website that I can give you out on the air because it's really easy. It's called vitalrec.com. And that's where you get birth certificates, death records, marriage licenses, divorce decrees, land records, a whole bunch more. And then, many of these documents have other information. It's like birth certificates show the parents' full names, the baby's name, the county, the date of birth. So you can go ahead and be your own investigator. Now, there is a free 15-day trial, but then you're going to have to pay, which brings up another point. How do you get information about yourself out of these directories? Well, that's our bonus tip. We're going to tell you how you can opt out of sites like Classmates and iSearch and People Lookup and Public Records. You can opt out of My Life and People Finders and White Pages and the premium sites. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.